Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Not really needed video, but I thought while that other video was loading, I was playing with this and give it a little bit of flair. And and also I made a video tonight exactly about this. I want to back up. I want to start over, but I want to keep this. So I'm going to right click and copy it. And then I can back up quite a bit where I just had a uh, black and white object. But I wanted to keep the other one so I can right click and paste it. Now I have that one I just got through playing with, so I can play around with this. So this thing I've made a little bit smaller so it's real little, so I'm gonna make my nudge factor 1 inch. And I'm gonna nudge this down and I'm gonna left click, right click, and I'm gonna put another color in there. It doesn't really matter what color you kind of start with. I just want to start with something besides black. And then use the interactive fill tool and just go from there to there. Then just start adding colors. Let's put a red in the middle. And on this one, on the last one, I used a lot of colors. So I'm just going to add a lot of colors to this. I'm just adding colors, kind of getting a rainbow looking effect. And you can see as it changes, like we could put that to orange there. You could do as many colors or a few colors you like. Um, you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to go down here and get a different blue. And now let's say you've got that pretty well and you nudge it back up. And if you remember, we use the Smart Fill tool. So now we're going to use the Smart Fill tool again to fill in this. So I'm going to fill in that little spot and then this. And then nudge that down and combine this so they'll all be one piece, object and combine. Now I'm going to grab the interactive fill tool again and go on here. And then maybe this time I won't add as many colors, so it won't be matching that up there. But you can see how much fun or artistic ability you have on something like this and how it's going to look. And you can even go further, but I wouldn't do it. You could take that looks terrible compared to my first one. But you could do the same thing with the text. You could grab the text and, well, one, you could leave it white. And then if this was printed on a blue t-shirt, you could see what it looked like, object order, back a page, and that's what it would look like on a t-shirt. Of course, we have too many blues in there. But you could do the exact same thing. This is all one group of text. So we're going to use the interactive fill tool again. And then this time we're just going to maybe add just two colors. Maybe just have yellows on the end and a red in the middle. Whenever you don't hit it, it gives you that symbol. And then let's move that text up. And I mean, you could go really wild on this. And you could still do stuff like give it an outline, make the outline a little bit more of an outline, something other than a hairline to make it kind of stand out. Anyway, cool little project. Hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.